Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Instagram. I know most of you guys know how to use Instagram, but in this video I'm gonna show you other parts of Instagram that you may not know about. So I'm gonna open Instagram, and right here when you create a new account, the first thing you're gonna have to do is follow other accounts, follow other profiles, so that you can have activity on your own page. So you can have activity on this page. So the next thing you're gonna have to do is go into your profile. Right here, click on edit profile, and right here you can see your name. You can change your name, your username. In this section you can add your website, and this is mainly about if you're creating an account for your business. This is where you can add your website right here, and also write about your website, or maybe about your business, depending on what your Instagram account is about, or maybe it's about yourself. So you can write your bio right here, add your website right here. So also the coolest part in this section is you can switch to professional accounts, and this means that if you have a business, if you're creating your Instagram account for a business, just switch to professional accounts, because this is very good if you're creating your account for a business. This setting is good for you. Switch to professional account. So let's go back. So we're gonna go into settings. Click on the three lines at the top right corner of your phone and go into settings. So right here, as you can see, you can follow and invite friends. You can turn on notifications or off. If you want to post notification, you can just post all right here, or maybe for 15 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. And also you can turn on notification for posts and stories and comments right here. So this section is basically about notifications. So on privacy, let's go into privacy. So right here, this is where you can switch your account to private account. And the coolest parts of this section is the hidden words. This is where you can add comments, you can add offensive words, add message requests and all that. So let's go out and click on security. So right here you can change your password. So this section is very helpful, because as you can see, the login activity, you can click on it and you can see every phone, every location that logs in your Instagram accounts, like every device, and even the location where your account is being logged in. So this login activity is very good for you if you're worried about someone getting into your Instagram account or anything like that. You can just click on this three dots and you can just log out. So this section is very helpful, because you can do so much from this section. Log out from other sessions of your Instagram account being logged in somewhere else. So this is very helpful. So you can click on save the login info. So right here, this section is just about if you want to save your password when you log in your accounts on your Instagram app. So you can switch this on or off. But if you don't want to put in your password every time you log in, just switch this on. But if you want to put in your password every time you log in, you can just turn it off. So right here, this is where you can set up two-factor authentication to protect your account. As you can see, add extra security to your account. Get started. So you can choose either of these three methods. So message authentication on app or WhatsApp. So you can just do that right here. So the next thing I'm gonna show you that is gonna help your accounts, in finding out in finding out every emails you get from Instagram and every emails you get from other people that are not from Instagram. So just go into the emails from Instagram, go into that section. So right here, these are the emails you can get These are the emails you get from Instagram relating to security. You're gonna get it right here, and any other email relating to your account, you're gonna get it under this section. So this is mainly what this section is about. This is where you can find the emails you get from Instagram. Every email you get from your Instagram or your email app, you can confirm those emails right here. Every email you get about security, you're gonna find them right here in this section. So let's go back. And next thing I'm gonna show you is the security checkup. So right here, this section is very helpful because you can change your password. This is gonna help you to check your account if it's healthy. So you can change your password right here. Email, add your email. Let's click on the email. Okay, right here is gonna ask you to update your email. So you can update your email right here, and it's gonna check if your account is healthy or not. Add your mobile phone number and also your two-factor authentication. So I hope this section will be very helpful for you guys. And also you can click on apps and websites. As you can see, no active apps. You don't have any active authorized apps. And this section is about every app or site that you log in with your Instagram details. You can find the apps and sites that you log in with your Instagram details. You can find them right here in this section. This is also helpful for you to know every site that you log in with your Instagram details. So let's go back. Let's go into ads topics. So right here, if you want to see fewer ads about selected topics, this section is about if you want to see fewer ads about pets or maybe parenting or alcohol, you can just click on it. So this is what this section is about. You can also read the instruction. So also here you can see your ad activity. I don't have any recent activity right here, so let's go back. You can also click on accounts. So right here you can click on personal information. This is where you can see your email, like I said before, and your phone number and gender and all that. So right here saved. This is where you can see posts that you saved on pictures or videos or stuff like that, or reels that you save. So this is where you can find them. So let's go into account status. So this is mainly about if your account is healthy or not. If your account is under any maybe if you violated the guidelines or stuff like that. This is where you can find that and make sure your account is healthy or not. As you can see right here under the account status, you can see you haven't posted anything that is affecting your account status. So this is where you can find if you violated the guidelines or anything like that. So let's go back. So right here you can set your avatar. This is where you can set your avatar on your Instagram. So this account section is basically about stuff that are very, very helpful for your account. You can see captions, language, if you want to change your language and all that. So you can just you can even go into review activity. As you can see, review activity. As you can see, no reviews. Your reviews will appear here once they are created. So this section is very, very helpful. So the next thing you can do is add accounts. So if you're creating maybe an account for maybe your pet and you want to create another account for maybe yourself or maybe your business, you can just click on add accounts here, and here you can log into existing accounts or create a new account. So through this method you can add multiple accounts, 2, 3, depending on how many accounts you want to add. But I think the limit is maybe 5 on one device, I think. So these are basic things you can do on Instagram. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you find this video helpful. So please subscribe to my channel, and also like this video and share this video. Thanks for watching.